Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel, and I also upload videos related to AI. तो चैनल पे नए हो तो स्वागत है आपका इस चैनल पे and if you're new to this channel I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you. All right, it's really a pleasure to have you guys on board, and I really mean this, okay? And now, for past 8 or 9 days, my schedule got interrupted, and due to that, I could not record videos. But I'm back to, uploading videos. All right. So I really, really, really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Okay. And as I have stated in my earlier videos, that it's an objective that we need to grow together, and there is a lot to learn. Okay. So सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, ठीक है. So today's project will be very, very exciting. Okay, I'm very excited, and I'm pretty sure that you all are going to be excited about that as well. All right. So it's about AI agent. All right. So let's get started. And before that, um, many people may be wondering, what is this AI agent? What exactly is it? And so we'll find that out. Okay. So I know, what is an AI agent to some extent, right? But people who are new to this field of AI and machine learning, and they don't know anything about that, then I will take you through the definition and everything. Okay, I'll take you the definition, the benefits, and its importance, because these are the key questions that we have to answer, right? ये सवाल पूछना बहुत ज़रूरी है ना कि AI एजेंट है क्या और इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, इसका क्या महत्व है, ओके, कंपनी के लिए क्या फ़ायदा है इसका, राइट? सो we'll ask, what is an AI agent? Let's go step by step. Okay, the first step, what is an AI agent? So it will give us an answer. It is a system that perceives its environment, processes information, and takes action to achieve specific goals. Think of it as a smart entity that can make decisions, learn from data, and adapt over time. AI agents can range from simple rule based bots to advanced models that use machine learning and reasoning. Okay, so in simple words, ठीक है, अगर मैं simple language में आपको explain करूँ तो AI agent बेसिकली एक इंसान की तरह काम करता है, ठीक है. बस इतना ही है कि वो बिना थके, बिना थकावट का, बिना कोई टायर्डनेस का, बिना कोई इंटरप्शन का वो काम कर सकता है. ओके, एंड दैट टू एट अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ प्राइस. ये सुनने में काफ़ी हार्श लगेगा, but that is the truth. It may sound pretty harsh that, okay, how can, machine do the task of a human at the fraction of the labor cost, and that too without any interruption, without any tiredness, working non-stop. And that's the major benefit of AI agent. I know it can sound a little harsh and things can be pretty trickier, but here's where you know uh, we have to be constantly be prepared to adapt to the things, the changes that are rapidly happening. Okay, and I am, of course, pushing myself, learning lot many things. I need to learn a lot, that's for sure. Okay, um, so now you have got an idea. अभी आप लोगों को एक आइडिया मिल गया होगा कि AI एजेंट है क्या, कि इसका बेनिफिट्स क्या क्या है, ठीक है. So in practical terms, AI agents are used in customer service chatbots, recommendation system. Okay, is not just for Netflix, but even, let's say, for travel plans or any other plans that you have in your mind. Okay, what are your recommendation? Let's say you want to uh, go to a place for tourism, okay, or you're planning to buy something on Amazon. You get some recommendations. Okay, so here machine learning is used. Okay, and then we have predictive analytics for forecasting trends in HR, healthcare, and and then you have autonomous system. So this is the um, definition part here, and you have understood like why they are very uh, helpful and why they used. Now let's also ask what are the economic benefits for employer or the companies. Economic benefits of having an AI agent. So here it has given me cost reduction and automation. Okay, it's an amazing point. So the repetitive task can be automated, and they minimize error in data entry, customer service, and operational workflows. Brilliant, brilliant point. Okay, that can enhance. So see, when the repetitive tasks are automated, and when the errors are reduced, and um, data entry, customer service, and operational workflow, it that becomes very smooth. समझ लो कि ये सब चीज़ें अगर स्मूथ हो गया तो कंपनी के लिए कितना फ़ायदा है इसमें, राइट? एंड तो इसके कारण कि कस्टमर्स, यू विल हैव मेनी हैप्पी कस्टमर्स. ठीक है, ज़्यादा अगर हैप्पी कस्टमर्स हो ऑब्वियसली वो रेकमेंड करेंगे, एंड इससे बिजनेस का ग्रोथ तो ऑब्वियसली है ही, राइट? तो बिजनेसेस कैन स्केल ऑपरेशंस विदाउट प्रोपोर्शनल इंक्रीज इन हायरिंग. ठीक है, ये नंबर वन फ़ायदा हो गया तो कॉस्ट के परस्पेक्टिव से. फिर इम्प्रूव प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड एफिशिएंसी. एआई प्रोवाइड प्रोडक्टिव एनालिटिक्स, ऑप्टिमाइज प्रोसेस इन एचआर, एंड ठीक है, ये सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. इसके ऊपर मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा अभी के लिए, बिकॉज टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट, वी आर गोइंग टू explore how to create this AI agent. Now, that's the whole objective of the video, right? So here I'll quickly walk you through that. Productivity will be increased, cost reduction, enhanced customer service, revenue growth, risk management, job creation in AI data field. Okay, so although there are not many jobs that are going to be um, redundant, or they will not exist anymore, right? But new jobs will be created in the field of AI. Okay, so that's the best part. That's the good news. So we have seen what is AI agent, what are its uses, okay, and how it can benefit. So now we'll find out how to create an AI agent. And some of you may think that okay, I am not technically proficient. ठीक है, मैं इतना टेक्निकली प्रोफिशिएंट नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास टेक्निकल नॉलेज है नहीं. So not to worry, right? But we can still create this AI agent, and that's the benefit of this website called jotform.com. मैं इसका लिंक भी दे दूंगा. I'll give the link in description. Okay. So here I'll click on AI agent. All right. And now you have this following four options. And start from scratch. Start with form. Use template, uh, and then you have clone yourself. So I will click on start from scratch, okay, because we are building, let's say that no a new AI agent. I'll click on start from scratch, and then you come to this page. Describe the agent. Okay, what is your customer service? What is your AI agent? Which type is it? Is it customer support type? Is it feedback based? Is it recruitment uh, based, or is it an appointment scheduling? And the types of AI agent, that will be vast. Okay, so for this video, I'll be saying that I want a customer support AI agent. All right, give me a moment here. I need to check something because after I'm done with this video, I will be having my meeting as well with my friend. Give me one moment. Okay, I have this meeting at 9 a.m. So just wanted to make sure that I have ample amount of time. All right. So all right, I'm back. And here we have the definition of this. We have the description. Okay, so create a customer support agent that promptly answers questions, resolves issues, and provides helpful solutions. Okay, so now you have got an idea about what type of AI agent that we are going to create. Okay, even though we do not have technical know-how. All right. So click on create. It will take some time, and then it will allow us to build our own AI agent. Okay, so this is how our AI agent will look like. It says Leah, and if I don't need this woman, or if I need to change, I have some options here, or amazing options. Let's say I'll click on this person, Daniel. Okay. Um, Now, obviously, I'm not gender biased or anything like that. It's just an option. Or maybe, let's say, if I want to uh, select this lady, Ayla, or maybe, let's say, this lady, Clara. Uh, let's explore more options. If I want to select this woman, Lily, okay. For now, we will stick with this. All right. And you got an idea that if you want, you can select these avatars, um, any of them, for your AI agent. All right. And then you also have this style, and I will not go over that. I will stick with the basic style and this avatar. Okay. All right. So this part is done, and then here we have train. All right. I have the knowledge base. So what is your knowledge base? I already have the frequently asked questions. I'll select from them. Okay, here we have the frequently asked questions. I'll go over them. Order and tracking queries. Where is my order? Okay, so the AI agent that we are creating, this is for an e-commerce based company. All right. Imagine that you have an e-commerce company like Amazon, and you're building this AI agent. So it'll take the queries from here, order and tracking queries. Where is my order? How can I track my shipment? My package is delayed. What should I do? I received the wrong item. How can I get the correct one? Returns and refund. How do I return an item? What is the return policy? How long does a refund take? Etc. Payments and discount. Why was my payment declined? What payment method do you accept? Product availability in detail. Okay, so all that. I've already copy pasted it here. I've copied them and I've pasted it here. All right. And okay, now teacher AI agent, knowledge base. I was just looking at the questions part. Click on Q&A, unanswered, or Q&A. Okay. All right. So let's say that there will be a random question. It has been 5 days since placing an order, but I have not received. But I have not received. I have not yet received my product. Seems that the spelling. Okay, right click. All right, receive my product. and shipping company says it is delivered, says it is delivered. Where is my product? Where is my product? Right? So these type of questions may come, right? Let's take this is as a random question. All right. So here the answer will be, I'm extremely sorry to hear this. I'm extremely sorry. Or no, this sounds very casual, right? I sincerely apologize. I sincerely apologize for the delay. I know you're frustrated. We can write this answer. No, again, there's a spelling mistake. I sincerely apologize for the delay. Give me and I understand your frustration. I understand your frustration. Give me 2 minutes. Give me few minutes while I check the exact reason. While I check the exact problem, and I will help you with the solution. I'll help you with the solution. Help you with the solution. Okay. Now, assuming that this customer is very angry and very upset, all right, and imagine that this could be the fault of the company, um, and somewhere the product got lost, or maybe the shipping company, right, they just delivered at the wrong address. Could be, right. All these problems can happen once in a while. So the e-commerce company, now what is it saying is that here the AI agent, we have set up this reply. Okay, now, and after a few minutes, the AI agent will come back and say that, I found out that this was the problem. But this is just as an example. Okay, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. I figured out after checking in our records that we had entered, we had accidentally entered a wrong address. Entered wrong address in our system. And hence the delay. And hence the delay. So, right address, I will ship out product to the right address. And as a goodwill gesture, you will receive a voucher. You will receive a $10 voucher. Okay, so see, these are not the frequently asked question type, right? This is like one of the randomly asked questions, that because a human will say that, oh yes, this is what my, this is in the issue, what exactly is going on. It's been 5 days since placing an order, but you guys promised the same day delivery. But it's been 5 days, you have not delivered a product. Where exactly is it? The customer is very upset. So the AI agent, we have fed the AI agent um, this as an answer. Now AI agent will respond when we ask this question. Okay. I hope this brings smile on your face. Smile on your face. No, I cannot say that because the problem has not been solved. I hope this solves your problem. The customer says, okay, half of them will be pacified. Okay, half of them will be feeling satisfied, right? So let me do one thing. Let me control C. Let me copy this. Let me click on save. Alright, so this information has been added, and now we have the frequently asked questions, and we have this question also. And if you want to see the preview, mm, so here we have this AI agent. Hello, I'm Lily, your friendly agent. How can I help you today? I'll say explore order and return FAQs. So I'm just cross checking, right, whether this is working or not. For order delays, where the shipping company says delivered, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's say other. I'm just testing whether the bot is working. Let's say 5. How long does a refund take? Refunds typically take a business days to process, etc. etc. So it seems like this is working here. The frequently asked questions that we have set up already, right? This seems working so far, but let me still check. 3. How do I return an item? To return item, please follow the instruction provided in the return policy section on the website or contact customer support. So I'll say, okay, this is all set. Now I'll place this question. I have not yet received a product. Shipping company says it is delivered. Where is my product? I hit enter, and AI will see. Wow. I mean, although I wrote a very lengthy answer, but even that AI agent did that correction in that knowledge base and gave us a very, very professional answer here. I apologize for the delay and understand your frustration. Our records show the wrong address was entered, so we will reshape to the correct address and provide you a $10 voucher as a goodwill gesture. Okay. Now this is the preview part, and now let's see. I'm clicking backwards to see the publish option. I'm just cross checking if my internet is connected. Okay, give me a moment. Sometimes there could be internet outage. All right, I'm going to click on this. We're going to click on edit AI agent. So we have done the training part, we have seen the preview. Let me click on publish. And we have to copy this and we have to integrate that with the website where your e-commerce website is based. We can click that. Alright. So now I'll finally ask this question to AI. How much cost can a company save how much cost can a company save and how much revenue can be generated? Give an estimate for e-commerce. Give me an estimate. Give me an estimate. So in terms of cost savings, customer support automation, AI agents can reduce customer service costs by 75%. This is huge. Okay. Companies like Booksy had saved $600,000 per year, almost close to $1 million. Now that's a huge amount. Operational efficiency, AI-driven automation can cut costs and returns, exchange, refunds, and tracking by up to 95%. Although this is a figure that can be disputed, but I can safely say that up to 80% the operational efficiency can be improved. Marketing and sales optimization, AI-powered recommendation reduce customer acquisition cost and improve conversion rates. An awesome point. Revenue generation, AI agents can increase conversions by guiding customers through purchases, recovering abandoned cart, and upselling, cross-selling, okay, global scaling. So, I can say that, so let me ask, so potentially a business can generate, or let's say earn, approx 1 to 5 million when one combines cost savings and revenue generation. Okay, now click on enter. Yes, that's a reasonable estimate. AI says it's a reasonable estimate. So yes, it's somewhere between $1 to $5 million that a company can earn in terms of savings and revenue generation combined. यानी आप देखोगे तो यानी 30 से 40 करोड़ तक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली फिगर है, ठीक है, मतलब 10 करोड़ से लेके $1 million तो 10 करोड़ के आसपास हो गया. ओके, 10 करोड़ से लेके 50 करोड़ तक का कंपनी को जो है अर्निंग हो सकता है. ऑलराइट, पर ईयर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. राइट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट सेविंग्स, जब कॉस्ट सेविंग्स और रेवेन्यू जनरेशन दोनों को कंबाइन करोगे तो पॉसिबल है कि इतने का फ़ायदा, इतने का अर्निंग हो सकता है. अगर इतने का अर्निंग हो गया तो उसमें एक बाकी डिडक्शन करके बाकी टैक्स एंड दूसरा चीज़ों को आप डिडक्ट करोगे तो फ़ायदा कंपनी को तो है ही. सो नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि that if you present this in your resume, you mention that this is what you have created, this is what you have done, believe me, you'll be ahead of the competition. Okay, so I hope today's video was very helpful and very exciting. All right, and having said this, let's also conclude that Large enterprises with global scaling can exceed $10 million in combined benefits. All right. So there's a lot of benefits in terms of incorporating AI agents into your business model. All right. So now, having said this, before I wrap up, all I like to say is that I will be busy learning. All right. In case you are new to my channel, do subscribe to this channel, wherein you will be getting a lot of valuable knowledge for free. Okay. There is a lot to learn, and I will be busy learning. That is for sure. I'll be busy learning. I'll be busy exploring. Okay. So thank you so much for patiently watching the video, and you can also try this out. Do practice this, and it's going to set you apart from other people who may not have this skill. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.